those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that fucking dress on and work it, kinda vicious, like somebody taking pictures. Shut it down, down, down. You will shut it down, down, down. You be the baddest girl around, round, round. And they notice, they notice.
More focus. There we go. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Gianna Calais, and I am back with another video. If you can tell by the title, you kind of know what today's video is about to be about. It's Family Beach Day with the fam bam. And before I continue, if y'all hear that little rattling noise in the back, I got a new kitty. Let me show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all my new kitty cat. She got an attitude right now because she want to go play. But y'all, I've been wanting an animal so bad. I didn't know if I wanted a cat. I didn't know if I wanted a dog. I didn't know what I wanted, but God gave me a cat, and this is my baby. So if y'all hear rattling noises in the back, that's her playing with her toys, but she's just the sweetest cat ever. But yeah, so today we're going to the beach, and honestly, I'm kind of excited because I haven't been to like the beach with my family in forever. Like the last time I can remember was probably like years ago. So today's very exciting. We're gonna barbecue, listen to some music, probably play some games, get in the water, just have a good time. And I'm gonna take y'all with me because I have not recorded a video. Let me tell y'all. I recorded a whole YouTube video the other day, and I'm kind of sad a little bit because I recorded a whole YouTube video of me getting my nails done, my eyebrows done, my feet done, my mustache waxed, and just like a little spa day. And all of it recorded in slow motion. Like, I cannot believe this. Like, this is ghetto because I really thought I had a good video ready to edit, drop for y'all, and I didn't. So I'm here with this video. Everything happens for a reason. I learned my lesson. Don't record in slow motion, so it's okay. So I don't know which bathing suit I want to wear yet. I have this one, a little lime green one. Then I have this one giving very much island vibes. And then I have just a black little simple one. I have a white one as well, but I don't know if I want to wear white because I'm about to tear up some barbecue today. See, any, mini, miny, mo. Okay, mo. This is the one I really want to wear because lime green on my caramel glowing skin in the sun is like, gives everything it's supposed to. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed real quick. I'm ready to go with y'all. Okay, I'll see. All right, so we're at Walmart and we're gonna get some Nana. The granola crackers is right here. Okay, so we got these. Okay, so we're looking for marshmallows. Found the marshmallows. Get the big ones so that we can just put one on our cookies. Got the marshmallows, got the cookies. We get some Hershey chocolate. Should we get two of these? Milk chocolate. I don't eat dark. Hershey's, Jet Plus, best marshmallows for s'mores. Hi, King.
Make my castle.
We're gonna make a castle today, okay? Say hi to the camera. Look at Nana chilling in the sun. You look good, Nana. Hi, Uncle.
Hey now.
I like your hat.
That's right, the nation. Okay.
Say hi to the vlog. They got the slap your mama. So you know it's about to buzz. Huh? We got Dad on the grill. Let's see. Look at the army boy. He's leaving. Right here. Be careful, King. Ooh! That's a big one. That's a big one.
They said it's only for kids.
He a big kid today. Look at him.
I actually in the water at the beach. It's crazy.
I don't think this sandcastle's gonna work. He packing the castle with wet sand. That's not gonna work.
You making a hot dog burger?
y'all. My brother don't want to cut my watermelon.
I look better.
Whatever, in his dreams. Come on, man. Come on, it's watermelon time. I got him to do it. Yay. You're a real one, brother.
Let's go.
There we go. Ooh, that look good. I'm not gonna lie. Bye. Give me that whole piece. Why it look colorful? That's good. Oh, we're gonna go see the Tesla. I was trying to have a Tesla, and I just want to see it because I've never been in one. Oh wow. Ooh, this is nice.
It don't smell like roaches in here or nothing.
Dang, that was all the way off. Get him, girl. Ooh, close. I don't think anybody gonna win this game. So it's currently the next day. I ended the vlog off yesterday at the fire. I think I ended it where we're doing the s'mores, because after that my camera actually died and my phone was low, so I couldn't record everything. But yesterday was super fun. I'm tired. We have to now today, on today's agenda, I have to go to the nail salon. I was just at the nail salon, but my toes already chipped and I got gel on my feet, so it shouldn't be chipping already. Like, no, I have just a few errands to run, and that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna stop this video right here because I don't want it to be super long for no reason, okay? But I appreciate all y'all for watching my video. Is this video better quality than the previous ones? Because I'm using my camera. I finally got my camera fixed. So let me know what y'all think of this video. I appreciate all y'all for watching, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next video, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.